Okay, this is HC Medical. In this video, we will show you how to connect wires for 4K camera. After you get the parcel, you will find the following parts: camera head, camera PCB, and control PCB, control wire. Sometimes we also provide this smaller control PCB according to different designs. Now I will show you how to connect the camera head first. For camera head, it is similar to for HD. There are different colors. Now we use pink color for 4K. Of course, you can also choose other colors. For instance, blue, golden, black, and silver. Now let's come to the wires for this camera PCB. There are 4 wires. Okay, in order to make it simple, we will simply mention its color so that you will not be confused. This is blue one. Okay, you can check the color. This is the blue one. This is the gray one. And this is, okay, I call this flat wire because there are different wires. Flat connector. And this black one is earth conductor. Please pay attention to the color of the wire. First, we connected the blue one. We connected the blue one to this point. Then we connected the gray one. See, blue on the left, gray on the right. Now we connect this white connector. Please find the one side where you can see the metal pin of the wire. Then, for the connector on the PCB, you will find one side is lower, or you can say it is not complete. Make the side with metal pin face the lower side of the connector. And for this earth conductor wire, you can connect it to your camera box. I will not mention here. Now let's come to the control PCB. For the control PCB, you will find this wire, blue one. First, we unlock this connect, we lift it. Then we insert the wire. Then we lock it, see, like this. Now let's come to this big one, control PCB. We also unlock this first, then we insert. See, like this. Suppose you do not want to use this big one, you can use the small one. We unlock here, we insert, then lock. Finally, we connect this part, this connector with 12 volt DC input. You can use your power PCB directly, then camera will work. 好，结束。